Aloha, darling people. It's Mele'ha, and I'm coming to you with an invitation to a live in-person event here in Tucson, Arizona for 11/11. We'll have a day full of wonderful things. Let's start with the food. Yes, we're going to have a large, beautiful buffet lunch. We're going to have a time to be with community, to create community as we have in the past. Now, I have not done this live meeting here since 2018 was the last time I did 11/11 live in Tucson. So if you missed that one, we'd love to have you at this one. If you made it to that one, come back because it will be wonderful, different, all new messages from the Star Mothers, and we will pass the day together in community, really doing a nice deep dive into wrapping up 2023. Are you ready for that? Boy, I am. I know the new year's right around the corner, and it's always a good time to go deeper as the days get shorter and we move towards the winter solstice. So, link below for signing up for this event, and lots of questions answered in that link. So please do come spend the day with us on 11/11. There's a beautiful labyrinth, a wonderful fire, people that you are connected with through your heart, through your soul, and your Lemurian Akash. I'd love to see you then. And until then, thank you. Namaste, aloha, and mahalo. Mwah.